So this is what it feels like to own a car in Minnesota every single time. It comes with responsibilities though, you know what I'm saying? Like right now, because of the cold, I have low tire pressure, I have my coolant low, my check engine light is on, all because of Minnesota snow. And not just the snow, but it's freaking cold in Minnesota. We have like 13 degrees Fahrenheit right now. I just want you all to know that if you have stuff like this on your car, living in a cold state or wherever you are, make sure you try to fix them, okay? It's very necessary. Make sure you try to fix them. Don't leave them and say, oh, hey, I'll fix them later. Oh, no, hey, just make sure you get them done as soon as possible. Then you get your life, you get your car to have more life. You know what I'm saying? If you want your car to live long and be healthy for a very long time, take good care of it, you know? Owning a car comes with responsibilities as well, you know what I'm saying? It looks like just you having a baby. And yeah, you always take care of a baby, make sure they're eating, make sure they have water to drink, make sure they have everything they need for the day. So that's all that matters. That's all I got to tell you all that owns cars and stuff like that. Not only in any other state, but in Minnesota. I don't know about the other state, how cold it is over there though, but yeah. I want to get into my tire pressure.
Okay,
yep.
all right, I'll be right with you.
Okay. So this is my guys over here in the tire class. As you can see, they're very good. They do a good job. If you want tires and everything, they got it. Any size, anything right here. Good job. As you all can see over here now, it's gone, right? It's gone. There he is over there, my guy over doing a good job over here. But yeah, as you can see, it says free time. Thank you. So these guys are the best, Tire Plus. Just in case wherever you are in the United States, you could find them. We are here at A&T Auto Service Repair, and I'm about to get some coolant in line right now. It says oil change $18.95, the cheapest you could get in this community. For real though, I ain't gonna lie to you. This guy over here is the best. I'm gonna go inside and get him to come outside, get some coolant in line right now. Forget about the check engine light, we'll take care of it. Let it be there and enjoy life. What is good?
Hey man, what the heck, man? You wear a girl purse now?
I wear what?
Girl purse.
Good for it's just called for the Minnesota cold though, you know.
No, that's not girl purse.
Girl purse this?
Yeah, that's
no, come on. This is Gucci. Come on, this is Gucci. This is not a girl. Just him, he runs this whole place. Putting this brand new rotor on it. This is the old one, as you can see. But let me turn it a little bit. It's kind of heavy though, but look at how messed up it is. That's all the bricks from drifting and all that. Look at how scratchy it is. Look at this brand new one. Very smooth. So now the brakes are gonna be good. And Lion will be back on the track. It's legendary. Fix out his brakes and stuff like that, so he's out here to get it. And this place, they do very iconic work too. Like when it comes to engine work, everything. This place, look at the name right here. Right here. Hey, what's good, chum?
I'm John.
John?
Yeah.
Lion. Lion is the name of my car. Why you call me Lion?
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
What's good, chum?
Zach.
Zach, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, what car is this?
It's an S2000.
S2000? What year is this?
01.
01?
Yep.
Damn. But trust me, this is not the real engine though, is it? This is the real engine?
Yeah, it's the real.
What kind of engine is this?
What?
Well, I mean, what is this? I mean, like, how many horsepower and
600.
600 horsepower? Originally, or you guys?
No, we turbocharged it.
That's what's up. That's totally what's
Normally
up.
it's like 240, but then we brought it up to 600.
Bam! And ever since then, no like turbos, nothing.
Yeah, we've had some hiccups here and there, but it's been going strong for 4 years now.
Awesome, awesome. So does it still go out?
Yeah, I drive it every once in a while. Yeah.
Damn, man, with the carbon fiber and everything right here, that's legendary.
Thank you.
That's awesome. I drive an RX8.
Oh, cool.
I drive an RX8, and I'm thinking of making some modifications on Nate too.
Yeah, man.
And then my guy told me that, hey, this is the right place, and I'm like,
we were doing all sorts of stuff. We got some 240s, another 240. We got to go on.
Ooh, that's legendary, brother.
Yeah.
That's totally iconic, like everything. I've not known this place for a while. I've been in Mankato for a while now, but I never know like a place like this.
Right.
I always think about the cities, like going to Minneapolis and
No,
stuff
you
like
don't
that.
need
But now I know. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now I know. But
Give you better deals and it's local.
that's what's up.
Yeah.
It's local. I like the way it's local. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Local. Yeah. Whoa. So you guys like make modification on
Yeah.
steer wheels and stuff like that
Yeah,
too?
we do like cages and we do fabrication, engine swaps. We do a lot of welding, aluminum welding, stainless steel,
Right.
mild steel, custom wheels and tires. We do brake upgrades, suspension. Primarily,
That's
it's our race car
awesome.
stuff. So yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah.
That's
We got a
awesome.
wheel and tire machine, so if anybody ever needs wheels and tires,
Wheels and tire
That
machines.
available,
Okay.
so,
Okay. Okay. Legendary.
engine rebuilds. We do a lot of we've done quite a few of those.
Do you know a lot about rotary engines though?
Like
Rotary engines.
rotary engines. I
Mm-hmm.
know some things about them. Yeah, I haven't worked on them a lot, but I've had my hands on a couple.
Okay, because I have a rotary engine. You
Yeah,
know,
you
a
have
lot
the
of other
Genesis.
people wants to.
Yep.
Like, hey, rotary engines, I'm out. And then like,
It's an
okay.
engine. I mean, it's a little bit different situation as far as how it's built, it runs. and
Right,
everything, but
right.
The physics and everything of it are generally the same. So
That's totally awesome.
yeah.
That's awesome. Now that I know this place, boom, I'm coming out here. I'm coming out here. All my modification stuff like that. I'm kind of waiting for the summer though. What is this carbon fiber too?
Yeah, it's hard.
Holy, this is awesome.
Thanks.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Whoa. What tires do you have on it?
I have some Yokohamas on the back.
Okay, so let me tell you, 0 to 60, what can this give you from 0
I
to
bet
60?
I can go like 2.9, maybe 3 seconds. If it can hook up.
This is legendary. And what year did you say this again?
2001.
2001,
Yeah.
and go 0 to 60 in 2.5.
Probably. I mean, it makes 600 and it only weighs 2,800 pounds. So
That's legendary.
as long as I can hook up, I mean,
That
it'll
is-
light the tires up pretty fast.
That is totally legendary. Whew.
Yeah.
And what is this name though? Is that like the?
That's our business.
Oh, that's the business name.
Yeah, that's our business.
That's the business name. Okay, everybody look it out. This is the name. If you're looking for them, you live in Minnesota, Mankato, and they could give you some good deals too, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're looking at
That's
right
our
here.
business.
That's legendary,
My
brother.
business,
That's legendary.
cleaned up or anything like that, but
Yeah, but it's all right. And we got a red leather seats too,
Yep,
red leather,
that's all
everything.
factory.
Oh, that's all factory.
Yeah,
It was already
the
there.
Interior's all factory, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah, just careful that sill on the bottom. It's all
Yeah.
glass.
I can see that. Oh, okay. So this is a hot top drop off.
Yeah, you can take it off.
You can take it off.
Yep.
Damn, this is.
So that's a convertible too. So.
I didn't know that. I totally didn't know that. How many gears do you have? 6 gears?
Yep, just 6 speed.
Trust me, this is good.
It's on air ride, so it goes up and down and all that stuff too. So it rides really nice and smooth.
When are you planning to take this out?
When the snow and the salt's gone.
When the snow and the salt is gone.
Yeah, when it's dry out. I
Okay.
usually don't like driving it when it's like anything under 50 degrees out because I don't hook up. I
Right.
have no traction.
Right, right. You're right.
I
you're
run a
right.
really narrow tire just so I can tuck. Because if I had too wide a tire, it rubs really bad when I like air out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You should take me on a ride on this sometimes when like the snow and everything is gone.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna make like a tiny bit review on this.
Yeah, we
'Cause-
can take a ride in that car, we can take a ride in that red car. Or
yeah. Yeah.
Any one of our cars.
Yeah, right. We could do that too. Can I have like you guys shout out your Instagram or anything like that? Like,
Yeah,
do you guys?
he's our manager on our Instagram page.
Oh, you guys. Oh, it's you. Okay. Yeah,
He's my-
just
he's my,
social media guy. Yeah, I'm a social media guy too. Like,
Yeah.
I do all
some
that.
of it. I
Yep.
do more of just like, logistics of being part of it.
Right. Yeah. So just shout out your social media and stuff like that, because a lot of people will be watching and they might want to like come make some modification. Because I got a couple of friends who tested me. Hey, do you know a place in Mankato that customize cars and stuff like that? Because I'm ready. I have almost about 5K down and I want to customize my car. And I'm like,
Here, man.
I don't even know, brother. I was thinking about the series. But yeah, okay, so that's the Instagram right here. You all could see it, but I'm still gonna put it in the description below. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. You better hit their followers up. And yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it big. We're gonna make it big. You're looking at this. They could replace a whole engine and make it look good. So if you have like a shitty car or anything like that, don't worry about it. You could bring it down here and they will make it look like your dream car, like your dream sports car, like your dream Ferrari, your dream Lamborghini, whatever it is. They got it. They got it right here. Looking at this car right here. I don't even know what car it is right now, but It's a Nissan 240 SX. And look at it right now. Look at the interior. Look at it. Everything is gone. They're trying to start it all the way from the scratch. All the way from the scratch. And they're going to get everything for you. The engine and everything. Oh my goodness. This guy's got it all. This guy's got it all. Trust me. The place right now. This is the place where they got all the stuff. Look at all these cars they're building. Look at all these legendary cars they are building all by themselves right here. And this is my guy came out here, made his Mustang and everything done. And this is a drop top. This is a drop top too. You got what? It's like that's a manual too, right?
Yep.
That's a manual too. And they got everything. They could do everything you want. Those are the guys right here. I'm gonna put their link in the description below just in case you're wondering you want to make customize. For all those my friends asking me, hey, where can I customize my car? You think I know everything? I don't. I just figured it out. This is the place. We're all gonna make big things together. And they want to give all you all some good deals too. All you got to do is just mention Lion, General Lion. That's Lion right here.